Replacement antenna for AM/FM bands. Top mount design made for 1-inch hole. 38-inch 3-section removable mast. 48-inch cable. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars. Perfect replacement antenna for my 1980 Corvette. I accidentally broke my old one and this plugged right in. Great replacement. Great replacement antenna. Worked fine. Will order more. Good replacement mast. I bought this product just for the mast as I hoped it would screw into the old existing mount so air could avoid having to go through the process of threading a new antenna cable into the radio. The mast unscrewed from the new mount and fit perfectly into the existing mount on my fender. I previously asked that question before I ordered it and an individual responded that on this product the mast did not unscrew. Thankfully I ignored that response. Bottom line? Don't answer a question on products when you have no idea what you're talking about.